senior scholars, welcome to mathematics class with Miss Damilola. Today we'll be looking at addition of numbers, and stay tuned because you will learn a lot about addition of numbers. What is addition? Addition means combining numbers together to form a bigger number. What is being combined? Look at the example. 15 plus 23 is being combined together to give you what? To give us 38, which is the bigger number. So let's dive. It is necessary you know the symbol for addition, which is plus. So you knowing the symbol first will make you to know whenever you see a sum written like that with that symbol, it will make you to know that it is addition, which means for you to add together, not to take away, not to multiply, but just to add together. So this is the symbol, which is the plus sign. Now with the addition of two-digit number, we have the 24 and we have the 32, which gives us what? 56. And whenever you are making arrangements like this, there are some that has the units and tens arrangement in place value. I've taught you place value before. If you can check my previous video, my lessons on place value, you know the smaller number from the back is the units and the number followed is the tens. So arrangement too matters whenever you are adding numbers together. Let me explain more about the arrangement. The U stands for units and the T stands for tens. The unit is always at the back, and why the tens follows. Whenever you are adding together, you start from the back. Your calculation starts from the back, not at the front. That is from the unit. So we have the 24 and 32. The 2 is the tens, and the 4 is the unit. The 3 likewise is the tens, and the 2 is the unit. Can you see that it is being placed where the place value is written, well arranged and well aligned? You can see that me writing 2 and 4 and also writing 3 and 2, just capturing everything. No, it must be properly arranged. Whenever it is two-digit number, just know it involves just units and tens. Just units and tens if they are just two-digit numbers. Let's check more examples. We have 43 and 32, which gives us what? 75. Look at the arrangement, the tens and the unit. 43 and 32. The 4 tens and the 3 is the unit. Can you see how it is? And the next number too, 32. Can you see everything is well aligned? 43 and 32. Let's start from the units. 3 plus 2. When you count 3, 3 and 2. When you count them together, it will give you 5. The same way 4 plus 3 under tens. When you count them together, you count 4 and you count 3 and you count them together. Your answer will be 7. Can you see that? Which gives you the final answer, 75. Let's check three-digit numbers. Three-digit number starts from the hundreds, tens, and units. The smallest is the unit, and then follow the tens and the hundred, unlike the two digits that are just limited to tens and units. Now we have 352 and we have 512, which will give us what? 824. You can see the 352, when you arrange them, you know, the two is what? Is units. Then the 5 and the 1 is tens. Can you see the arrangement? So when it is being arranged, it will help you whenever you are adding. You don't just arrange anyhow the way it is whenever you want to add. There are some genius like you already know the answer. You don't even need to, even blinking at it, you've already know the answer. So arrangement matters whenever you are adding. So let me diving into another example for you to understand better. Now let's arrange 352 and 512. 2 and 2. The 2 in 352 and 512 are what? They are units. So they must be arranged under units. And tens, 5 and 1. The 5 in 352 and the 1 in 512 is being arranged under tens. And also the 3 in 352 and the 5 in 512, it is being arranged under 100. Do not forget that H stands for 100, T stands for tens, and U stands for units. The arrangement matters for you to get the accurate calculation. And whenever you start your calculation, you start from units. You start from where? From units, then followed by tens, and then hundred. Whenever you want to do any calculation, you start from the back, which is the unit. Every figure is being arranged from the back, which is the unit, and then the tens, then hundred. Hope you've learned a lot about addition of numbers, the symbol, which is the plus sign, and how to arrange the 2 digits and the 3 digits. 100 tens are units. And do not forget that whenever you are calculating, you start from the unit, which is always at the back when you are arranging. Okay, so if you have any question you want to ask, you can write them in the comment section below. And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch more exciting video and more educative for you to learn more. See you in the next class. Bye.